The MDC Showcase 2024 will begin with a prayer dance piece called Zuru Jong China. This piece was created in the year 2017 by MDC founder and creative director Alan Rinoma as a concept video for YouTube. After garnering millions of views, it has become one of the most covered and recreated dance piece of Mizo Dance Camp. Now to open the MDC Showcase 2024, we invite the team to perform Zuru Jong China.
Swal kong zo lâu tu ring ka ril ru ka han si mama sa zana lâu niya chen la rualan lâu langa kal san harkati niala harkati mange min som na omoy ta chuan min lem vele ta sia min lem vele ta sia spot rem nuam tak da min shwai thleng la a eng zu ber nge idua tin min lo ofera black dog vodka whiskey ti dang te pok chana handon chuan ka tluk na ngaya vok chuan nom chen na rei lo te kha engang pom sual ma ila lal pa itel lo chuan kanun kong zo mek lai hi ke ma mai ka zo zuam lo lal pa mi tran pui ro khoi mu na ko ma ila Minom pui zelang se min kang san lo vang se Zan tiang chok thap pui em moi tak moi at som an la me lai chok mo ning chok pui ning zu dong chung ning ril ru chu ga fi tak sa tu nu na har an soi chin zu ru ngai ka ti ing mi tiang ning ma se talal pan ning la en sang big lo engang pom sual ma ila lal pa itel lo chuan kanung kong zo mek lai hi ke ma mai ka zo zuam lo lal pa mi tran pui ro khoi mu na po ma ila mi nom pui zelang se mi ka san lo vang se mi ka san lo vang se sual ma ila lal pa itel lo chuan kanun kong zo mek lai ke ma mai in ka zo zuam lo engang pong sual ma ila lal pa itel lo chuan kanun kong zo mek lai ke ma mai in ka zo zuam lo lal pa mi tran pui
Distinct Mind Unified by Movement is the name of the next piece, which is choreographed by JD and Lil J. It is an exploration of movement between two friends, stating that dance should not be defined or differentiated by stereotypes. In this piece, they use two methods of choreography, one using the music and the other using the lyrics. Together they unify at the end, bringing to you a collaborative expedition of movements. Let's welcome JD and Lil J on stage.
Ente I tụi nó mo thil pathum ve de omega ne ya ka shil veng so
sei la
I pakhat na chuanin ke mani Mizo dancer te po hi influencer kan ni ti te hi an thei hirang ti ka hlawa ei puipun ni khwa vel te hian kanom dan te hi film khurela chuanin bad influencer kan ni yang ti te hi a hlo om ber ani chu
nia dikrang ke bo ka lo ngai to me chu hei den sarte vega hian a senior le junior te hi in za to nila chuan hei thilin zo she lo bokila chuan in puiton zeli tha ka ti
nia ke pon tha ka ti ei pani na chuanin styling gender clear lo ti te hi nia ka soi tum bera chuanin ke mani dancer te hi chu entertainer kan ni nangin kan ni lo nanga kan lan chaw te hi angai china ei che dancer te po hi career sexy do de wa te thom tlem te in bera an lam te po hian chen ka thian an lo mu kholo rengot zera ting te hi an ni lo ze te hi sheve sera te ka tia
style soita ka chuan a sai sang jong po hian a thawa wang khan lam thei lawang ti ringot te a chera wang khan lam to su I cher vek to ti ringot hin lo om thina
dikse kan tong kam te hi kan film khurangai a to bera chuanin mi puite hne na hianin engtinge lam hi kan soi fiang o ti ka ngai to a de ka han soi fiang
o ani te chuan choreography in try la inanga korea siam chinela mo mission kan niangin hla pakhat kan va po dan le kan lan chuatir dan nei nang lo thin ta tero chuan kan character a hla zirin kan siam chok thin ta ke in musical ti ka focus anga
chuanin kein lir ka garon ti ve chenga chuan a to pa chuan kan phani kan combine anga chat do
No, baby, no, baby, no, baby. No, no, no.
If you take your love away from me, I'll go crazy.
No.
I'll go insane.
You've got your problems, baby. I got mine. Let's just spend it all by putting it together. Yeah. When you say you love me, it don't mean nothing. If you can, you be there like you used to be. Yeah.
I'm searching for the words to make you realize that I really, really want you to stay. Whoa. Tears of frustration I hold inside, but if you walk away, you make this grown man cry.
You've got your problems, baby, and I got mine. Let's just spend it all by putting it together. Yeah. When you say you love me, it don't mean nothing. If you can, you be there like you used to be. Yeah.
I'm searching for the words to make you realize that I really, really want you to stay. Whoa. Tears of frustration I baby. Right here with me forever. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, no, no. No, baby, no, baby, no, baby.
As we celebrate a decade of Mizo Dance Camp, it is only fair that we bring back some of the most sensational dance videos that became hits, achieving millions of views from audiences all over the world. Here to perform 4 of these hits, Despacito, Tudang Kangay Tolong, Bomdigi and Taki Taki, we welcome the MDC team on the dance floor.
Si te pido un beso, vendámelo. Yo sé que estás pensándolo. Llevo tiempo intentándolo. Mami, estoy caminando. Sabes que tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam. Sabes que esa beba está buscando de mi bam bam. Me pruebas de mi boca para ver cómo te sabe. Quiero ver cuánto amor a ti te cabe. Yo no tengo prisa, yo me quiero dar el viaje. Empezamos lento, después salvaje. Pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Cuando tú me besas con esa destreza, veo que eres malicia con delicadeza. Pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Y es que esa belleza es un rompecabezas, pero para montarlo aquí tengo la pieza. Oye, despacito.
Xem đã ám ta trong tên mình đã lo, mình đã lo, mình đã lo. Khá lắm loang khá cách suy kỳ tổ lòng. Hãy xin đất tham đal vang in loài clip bụi cần đôi lẹ tổ lòng. Mất tiếng ca sót dèo đo đê. Trốn tham qua nín tay là tu đăng càng ai tổ lòng. Lâm cho suy yang say mà xe lim tên. Qua là quỳ lệ tốt đi quỳ đâu xa về trên mặt xe. Anh đang cần ai tỏ lòng, tôi đang cần ai tỏ lòng.
I wanna see you wine like Rihanna. Get on up on that bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
Bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. High music, high flows. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui.
During this 10 years journey, Mizo Dance Camp traveled through different phases, creating beautiful memories, stories, and experiences. However, the journey has its ups and downs. Not everyone made it with us here tonight. Some of our family members, our friends, and well-wishers departed to a better place. Tonight, we bring before you a special tribute piece choreographed by Alan Winoma for our three beloved team members who has left their marks in the dance community both inside Mizoram and beyond. Here to perform a tribute piece for Woody, Nintendo, and Isaac Princeton, we welcome the MDC team on stage.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. Memories bring back your.
Tangled, when it doesn't really matter anymore. This is a solo piece choreographed by Matthew Pekka. And this piece is not just about making a choreo and performing it live on stage. This piece is an emotion, a feeling, everything that is interconnected with genuine life experiences, confusion, frustration, anxiety, joy, happiness, and fear of losing. This is Tangled.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you.
Mizo Dance Camp is an epitome of breaking barriers, passing through different challenges. It fought a battle to be where it is today. This next piece, called They Don't Really Care About Us, depicts a story of breaking barriers. Choreographed by Zwalamar, this piece enthralls a battle to break away from all the negativity surrounding us. Achieving victory, it goes on to create the future and a platform for the new generation. Here we bring before you the piece, They Don't Really Care About Us.
All the injustice.
Some things in life they just don't wanna see. But if Martin Luther was living, King Barnabas, they know
Dance. It's not just an art form, it's an escape. An escape, a haven for lost souls. Close your eyes to all the poisonous mouths, close your eyes to all the judgment, and let's join forces to keep fighting and keep dance alive. Cause people will care if you just believe.
entering into a brighter and better platform. The next piece, choreographed by Mark Gay, includes students of Mizo Dance Camp, offering colorful and vibrant steps to the latest pop tracks. Let us now welcome on stage a trio of new generation dancers.
Just want a minute 내가 시대는 시간 순진한 내 속에 속아오는 남자들 baby 다른 매력에 흔들리고 있잖아 용기 내봐 다가와 날 가질 수도 있잖아 Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me. Espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me. Espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fuck. Are on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I got him. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfumed it for you. Yes, I know I nothing to it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed it for you. Yes, one touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me. Espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me. Espresso. Holy shit. That's that me. Espresso.
We now come towards the end of Mizo Dance Camp Showcase 2024. To close away the celebration, we have the finale piece, choreographed by MDC team members. The finale piece is a blend of different street styles, culminating the end of celebrating 10 years anniversary of Mizo Dance Camp. We now invite the MDC team to serve the finale piece of MDC Showcase 2024.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Yeah, coming in hot. Just like the fajita. I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow. Just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam. I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect them. I made the call up with just like I'm reppin'. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. Me and my wife gon' have some kids. Right now we just practicing. Teacher said quit rapping, man. That gon' hurt my average. I said thank God I ain't average. Yeah, I'm a bright young man. Kill the GPA and the BPM. Look, we on. So say what you say, cause that's A with Lecrae. From the A train to the A, I'm coming in hot.
Viking Zilla.
Stay up to the time.
Vibes Cartel. Ladies.
Static.
Hey, girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, bend your top. Everything shot. Girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, bend your top. Everything shot.
Hey girl, just wine and bend over. Giving to the beat of the soca. Do it all on tabletop on the sofa. Girls from Trinidad, girl from Europa. Girl from Jamaica, girl from Toga. Bend so low so me can see your shoulder. Bumper spin like the wheel of a roller. Come your beauty, I'm the beholder. Love when you bend and you wine and watch over. Rough ride. Right in the bicycle, broke off. 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 Right in the bicycle, broke.
Put your loving hand out, baby, 'cause I'm begging. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, tried everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, 'cause I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you. So put your love in the hand out.
From diamond night, baby, I'm proud. I've been drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Or did you notice me?
In bed, but my mind stay wandering, overthinking, but I'd rather be sleeping. Grab a drink, I need escape now. 247, I be in this state now, but I can no longer depend on it. I become my own worst enemy. I don't question my own sanity, waiting to be saved. But I'd rather be alone than to have faith. Check on me, or let them get to me. I'm just tired, not trying to be lazy, 'cause I got it all that I've been dealing with. I know you understand, I know you
Drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Or did you look for me? I walked in the room, eyes are red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you check on me? Or did you notice me?
Holy Father, they try to hold myself.
Cause they make you no leave me deep.
Oh, don't let go.
Para la muñeca, por favor.